Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off Road. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include technology package, air filtration, front air conditioning, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, cruise control, stability control, traction control, and wireless data link.